Hi everyone, this is Silveria from Indian Trails Library Branch. This is the craft for the month of October, and we're gonna be doing a Halloween wreath. The material we're gonna be using is a ring, a foam ring, crepe paper, Elmer's glue, stickers, spider, ribbon, pipe cleaners, and yarn. We're gonna start our project wrapping the crepe paper on the ring. The way you're gonna do it is just gonna use a little bit of the glue on the ring to hold the paper in place, and you'll do it just at the beginning and at the end when you finish wrapping the ring. Our next step is gonna be to tie the strings to the ring. The way you're gonna do it is just put it across the ring, and then you can tie those. Once you tied all your strings, you're gonna take the longer string and we're gonna tie it around to create the spider web. On the last round of our spider web, you're gonna go put the string around the string and make a knot, that way it stays in place. Next, we're gonna tie the spider with a piece of wire to the net. Our next step is we're gonna do the bow with the ribbon to tie it to our wreath. Our next step is gonna be gluing those stickers all around the wreath. This is how our project is gonna look when you're done. Hope you liked and enjoyed the program today. We hope you see you soon on the future programs.